Now, my friends, here let us see one example and try to find the solutions of this equation. Suppose I am having the equation as say x plus y is equal to 8. Then how many solutions it can have? In previous article, in previous lecture, we have studied that a linear equation in two variable can have infinite number of solutions, can have infinite number of solutions. Okay, so if by simple observation, this is a simple equation that can tell you the solutions of x and y very easily. For example, if I will take x is equal to 1, then to satisfy the right hand side, I have to take the value of y as 7. The addition of 7 and 1 will give you 8. Therefore, one solution is 1 and 7. Okay, or if we will take x is equal to say 2, then what will be the value of y? It will be 6, because addition we want 8 and the solution will be 2, 6. Is it not easy? Here we can, by simple observation, we can tell the values of x and y. But if there is no simple equation, then what you have to do? It is very simple. The idea is very simple, that put the value of x is equal to 0. Take the value of x is equal to always 0, like this. While finding the value of y in the equation, you first of all you take x value of x, simple values, simple integers. X is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, like this simple values used in place of x, and find the corresponding value of y. Now let us see this equation. Our equation is x plus y is equal to 8. What I told, put the value of x is equal to 0. Then what will be the, find the corresponding value of y. The corresponding value of y, it will be equal to 8. If you put x is equal to 0, you will get y is equal to 8. So the solution is 0, 8. Same you can do for y also. If you take y is equal to 0, then let us see what happens. The equation is x plus y is equal to 8. Therefore, here x plus y is equal to 0. So here put y is equal to 0, that will be equal to 8. Thus you get the value of x is equal to 8, and the solution is x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 0. Okay, and here in this way you can find out the values. Let us take one more example. Suppose I am having another type of example, as suppose 2x plus 3y is equal to, say I am having 30. Then what you will do? In case of this equation, suppose if you use it as by this way. First of all, we will take the equation. What is the equation? Our equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 30. And what I told you, the simple way of finding the solution is to take x is equal to 0 and find the different solutions of the given equation. Here I will write suppose one solution of this equation, different type of solutions I will get by this way. Okay. Now what I will do, here I will write the value of x here, and here I will write corresponding values of x and y, and I will prepare one table by this way. Yes. Now what I will do, first of all we will take the value of x is equal to 0 and we will put in equation. So our equation is 2 multiplied by x, x means 0, plus 3y, that is equal to 30. Okay. Now here 0 into 2 is 0, therefore here we got 3y is equal to 30, means the value of y we will get is equal to 30 upon 3, 10. Got? Thus if we will put here the value of x and here value of y, then what you got? The value of x you took 0, at that time value of y you got 10. Yes, like this you can put the values in the table. Again, if you take another simple value of x, say now we will use the value of x as equal to 1. What I will do? Let us take x is equal to 1. What I will get the value of y then? Let us see. If I will use the value of x is equal to 1, then I will get 2 multiplied by x is equal to 1 plus 3y is equal to 30. Okay. That way I will get 3y is equal to 30 minus 2, 2 28, and this type of answer I will get 28 upon 3. Okay. Like this you can find out the value and you can write in this form. The value of x is equal to 1, you will get the value of y is equal to 28 upon 3 by this way. Here I told you that you can also take the value of x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Yes. So if you take y is equal to 0, then what you will get the value of y is equal to 0, then put it in the equation, you will get 2 multiplied by x plus 3 multiplied by y is equal to 0, that is equal to 30, and here you get 2x is equal to 30. Got? And you get x is equal to 30 upon 2 is equal to 15. Thus you can find many solutions of given, if the complicated equation is given to you, then by using by taking either values of x or y, simple integers, you can find out the many solutions of given equation. What we got the value of y? If we take y is equal to 0, then we got the value of x is equal to 15. Thus you can solve the given equation and find different values of given linear equation in two variables. Okay.